Here's how to make polenta in any pressure cooker. Don't fill your pressure cooker more than halfway, as cornmeal can expand. Sprinkle the cornmeal into the boiling water a little bit at a time, stirring constantly until the mixture starts to boil. Now, move quickly and get pressure cooking. Release pressure slowly. This cooker does it by itself, but if yours doesn't, slowly open the valve and let a little pressure out at a time. Stand back to avoid splatters. It's going to look a little lumpy, so stir vigorously to smooth it out. Pour this polenta directly into bowls to serve creamy and warm, or pour it on a wooden plank to cool. Wait about 10 minutes before slicing. Using a string so it's easier for you to see on camera, but sewing thread does a better job. Wet it first. Keep the string tense and make a sawing motion back and forth, and then slide the string underneath. Wipe and do the next cut. Ready to serve, or time for a little fun. Click on the linked article for the recipe and more serving suggestions, including how to grill, bake, and even fry this pressure cooker polenta. Ciao!